Today, I will show you how to set up the report footer. First, go to the document that you want to edit. For example, an invoice. Click Preview at the top. Here, select the report template that you want to edit. For example, I'll choose the first one. Click OK. Once it opens, scroll down to the bottom. You will see the blue text here. Click on it to enter edit mode. Now we'll show you how to set up the report footer. Scroll down to the report footer and you will see a blank area. This is where we can place our text. Now, go to the toolbar and find Rich Text Object, then select it. Move to the position where you want to place the text, and click once. The Rich Editor pop-up window will appear. Copy the text that you have prepared earlier and paste in here. One advantage of the Rich Editor is that it allows you to change the text design, color, and style. For example, I can select this text and make it bold. After checking, click the check mark to save. Once saved, click on the text box and drag it to resize it until all the pasted text is fully visible. When done, click Save. Now you can close the window and return to this page. Click Preview again to check the updated report. Scroll down, and you will see the text that we just added to the report footer. That's all for the report footer setup. See you in the next video.